Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You open GarageBand and start with an empty project. That gets you straight into building. Choose a software instrument or audio track and name it so you don't lose focus. Next, set tempo, key, and time signature to lock groove and harmony. This matters for quantize and loops later. Once done, select your Mac's input device in Preferences and enable monitoring. Then adjust input gain to around -6 dB to avoid clipping while keeping headroom. You'll record with the metronome and a 1-bar count-in so timing stays consistent. Use punch-ins for tricky sections rather than redoing full takes. For MIDI, choose an instrument and record while watching velocity and note placement, then edit in the piano roll. Once you have multiple takes, use comping to combine best phrases. Make use of flex time for audio timing fixes and quantize for MIDI. And don't forget to label and color code tracks to speed up. You mix by balancing levels and panning, then apply subtractive EQ to clear mud and gentle compression to control dynamics. Reverb and delay add space, but use them sparingly so clarity remains. Once mixed, choose Share Export Song to Disk and set sample rate and bit depth appropriate for your destination, then bounce to WAV or MP3. If you encounter clipping, reduce track gain or master fader. If latency or CPU strain appears, lower audio buffer size or freeze heavy virtual instrument tracks to regain real-time performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.